sorry, but the last video we filmed Tristan slide all the way down there, but then what happened is the camera hit that log and shut off. So I'm gonna retry this.
Wait, I'm not doing it!
Oh shit!
I found.
Dude, that's my arrow and bow.
Henderson here.
Oh, that's the...
Hold the camera, hurry!
Max, still! Still! There's a rocket slide on! Woo! Oh, shit!
We still have that adventure up that way to go.
No. Still can't believe we missed you sliding. That was hilarious. Fatty almost broke his leg.
Let's start heading up.
We are. What the crap? Dillard. George Clooney, why do you gotta be like that? Stop making stuff for us.
I found some Skittles!
You did?
Yeah.
Unopened?
Yeah.
Where?
What's that?
Oh. Skittles.
Film this.
You effed up. I already did it. You gonna eat it?
Yeah, film it. Skittles! Just like shrimp. No. I'm a bull!
Huh? Yeah, we found our... This is where we started. We're showering good tonight if we find civilization.
Ow! Freaking bone arrow stabbing the chest.
Sweet.
We're heading back up. We may not see. Hey, someone's doing what they're doing.
Oh, fuck. I can't film anything. Hold on. I'm fucking stuck. Ooh. Sweet stuff.
Ready?
Free sucker.
That's Wayne's X, Maggie!
Well, how do you turn the thing on? Screw it. Fuck. Only if I had a hat cam. Here we go. We must go under the log. Nugget.
I think we lost a fellow companion.
What?
I think we lost Bubble the Vampire Slayer and Tristan.
Oh,
Fatty.
the fucking leader.
Where's he going?
Fuck. Dude, what the fuck?
There he's going.
Follow the puppy. It's civilization. Oh, I took us under a thorn bush. Out of this freaking thorn bush.
Let me get to the next house. Stop!
Here's a great house. Oh. There they are. I think I'm sweating mine off. Yeah.
Should I sharpen this more?
Well, I'm leaving. thirsty, and we need civilization. Well, that's another hangout. Oh, screw it, we ain't going anywhere back up here again. Yeah, I see the light. Don't be. I see Nugget. Oh, crap. Oh, shoot. Do I still got my bow and arrow?
Yep.
I do?
Yep.
See, I'm sweating all this crap off. Alright. Fuck. Huh? An ATV! Look. We made it! This is where we all crashed. Hey, this is where we first crashed. Now we need to find where we are home. Wait a minute.
We need to find the other ATV. You think this is the best?
Fuck. Woo! Civilization! Oh, we just made it out of the vicious woods. Only me and George Clooney survived.
Just let you know my real name still.
We could be getting the bushes if we wanted to.
Hey,
Wait a minute. More survivors! Wait a minute. What happened to George? Teddy bear. What happened to Teddy bear?
he didn't make it home. It's still in the woods. He didn't make it home.
You mean
Oh yeah,
he's,
that is
you mean he's gone? He's gone?
Mhm.
Well, he didn't make it?
Mhm.
Or is he still trapped out in the woods?
Oh yeah. While y'all are gone, I built this house.
Well, crap.
Check it out, dude. I'm just joking. I hired a bunch of Mexicans and they built it in 10 minutes.
Well, looks like we are the last of the survivors. Thanks for watching. Bye.